Good morning.
What do you see?
Okay.
Who's that?
You. I'm taking a video. Oh, is that letter G?
Huh?
You know?
This is Larry.
For more Mummy Bear videos,
Is that the one?
subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
That is not.
Yes.
H.
And I.
Lain-lain color din na dong.
J. You know what?
J.
H R J K L M N O P Q R A.
Lain mag-size imong letters dong.
What?
K.
I'm gonna make it 10. It's a top.
Shall we see how fast
L.
these vehicles go?
Isa man ako.
It's a big
Can drive really fast.
M. Yeah.
Which one shall we look at?
And.
into what the O.
You know how to write the letter O?
No.
And you want mommy to write the letter O? Okay, mommy write the letter O here.
No.
All right there. Okay, mommy gonna write. Okay. Is this the letter O?
Yeah.
Okay.
B.
P. Oh, I like it because it's so colorful.
Let's give it a go.
Q. Yeah. R.
Only go on the S.
Huh? My turn?
Tap that up.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Where shall I write?
Down.
There. Mommy's gonna write S.
Next one, Bowie.
S.
Oh, this one has a bucket
What's next?
and an
T.
R to dig.
It's a
T.
Do you think excavators
U.
B.
are slow?
Anong padung taas man?
W. Mommy, I made a dog for my friend.
Oh, wow. But why is the doll smaller than your pet?
Oh.
Let's give it
But
a
look at this now.
Okay.
Just like my reindeer.
Oh, yeah.
What the?
Oh, finish na daw? I didn't know this.
I'll draw some purple pants.
Just drawing. Saturday morning activity.
Apple, and
Can you draw an apple?
Yeah.
Do you know how to draw an apple? No.
Oh man. B. Oh my.
ABC na san?
You must be a little
Oh,
baby
no.
still.
You dropped it. Oh,
You
come on.
must need more care, Nina, because you're still a baby. You don't know how to draw. You don't know how to draw your ABC.
He knows, Mom, but
What's this bucket?
But why did he say your turn?
no, he just wants mommy to participate.
It's a rubbish
Well, my
truck.
green.
It's a
Oh,
big,
there it is.
heavy truck
Cute, eh?
to collect
Mm,
rubbish.
lain-lain din na
for
color.
recycling. And this
G.
is a racing car. Which
That's
one
her dress.
do you think will be faster?
And this is her buttons.
How about purple? There's a purple there.
We're going
Mommy, E.
E.
This
So
is
what's
her
the
button
color?
on her shirt.
Oh, she has buttons. That's nice.
This is her favorite doll. This. She will call it Olivia sometimes.
Okay.
But I'll call this Cindy.
Okay.
Because she looks like Cindy.
It's coming along.
Wait, I forgot it was the weekend.
Ah.
Silly me.
So
I forget the
which vehicle
weekend.
was fast?
G. Naaman na yung ana ang G dong. Ana ba? Na yung ana ba?
Which vehicle was slower?
Oo, nagsikit. Murag A.
No.
I. Mo na ang H. Imong gi-correct H.
It's A.
I.
I.
job.
That's the uppercase I. How did you know how to do that?
Yeah, he knows naman, Day.
J.
Okay, J is another color. Oh no, green doesn't work anymore.
Yeah, because I was using it on this.
Oh yeah, you finish all the color.
Yeah.
I mean all the ink.
No more ink.
K is for what?
Mommy,
Kiss.
there's no more ink. Let's throw it away.
Magamit mo na masuot-suot. M, L, M, N, O,
O.
and then
P.
P. Q. Oh, ask properly. Ate's using it. Use another color. There are so many colors there.
Yeah. I.
Okay.
You have to use pink.
Where's the pink? Inside? Wala man good.
Yeah, like this.
Are there? What's next? R. Then?
You like my drawing of the doll?
Oh yeah, it's so
Did you
cute.
cut it out?
Yeah, later.
Oh, man, I forgot the skin.
Okay.
You can choose, Bowie.
S. Wow, I like the S.
T.
T.
This is how you draw it. Just kidding.
U. V. And then. And then.
Is.
A cement mixer truck.
Sa man na?
W.
W bali man. Ana, very good.
W.
May kagamay man.
X. What?
Y.
M. Z.
Yay! Good job!
Connected to the Y.
Can you spell dog? Nina? Spell dog. Write dog.
D. O. E.
Good job. How about cat?
Oh, sure.
Oh, sure.
E.
The cement mixer truck is
A.
more than the
T.
Oh, wow. How about
So the
mom?
is
Do you know mom? M.
cement mixer truck
O.
is slow.
Z. Mom.
No, that's mog.
Wonder
Mom. What's the last letter of mom? It's still letter M.
that.
M-O-M.
I know that.
Yeah, you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
okay.
knew it.
Okay, how about you spell... Can you spell car?
I know. It starts with a C and a R and a T
No?
and a T.
No? Car is C-A-R.
R.
Hmm.
T.
No, that is cat dog.
No, I mean cart. Like you roll in a stroller.
In the grocery?
Yeah.
Oh,
A
okay.
cart.
How about, can you spell owl? Owl.
Ah! He doesn't know.
What are you writing, Minya?
Carrying materials.
R.
What is that?
Car.
Oh, car, yeah. C-A-R, yeah.